Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Okay, I think we can start as most of you have already joined in. Just a minute.
Morning, ma'am.
Morning. The three students in the waiting room. Okay, students, before I proceed, as I said you yesterday in the HR class that maybe this coming Thursday we will have a parents meeting. Okay, I need confirmation from sir about his availability. Okay, once he confirms, then we can schedule the meeting on this Thursday. Or if it is not on this Thursday, I will let you know when are we planning to schedule. Okay, and what will be the timings. Okay, but for now, you please inform your parents that positively this Thursday there might be meeting, or this Friday there might be meeting. Okay, this week there is a meeting, that is sure. All right. Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys, in the last session, I have already started with marketing strategies, and I think I have covered wisely 3 to 4 points. Okay, in marketing strategy. Let me tell you how did we begin the answer. We started with functional strategy, and then we have completed the major one, that is production. After production, we started with marketing strategy, and in marketing strategy, I believe we have completed product strategy, okay, pricing strategy, distribution strategy, and promotion strategy. Okay, a very quick recap of what we have done in the last session. I started with marketing strategies, and in marketing strategies, the first thing that I did was product strategy. I'll just use a whiteboard for your reference. Okay. So we started with product strategy. Okay. In product strategy, okay, I hope the whiteboard is visible.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So in product strategy, students, what the company is going to decide. The first thing that the company is going to decide is it going to stick to one product line, or is it going to use a product mix? Correct? या तो company एक ही product line में रहेगा. Pharmaceutical companies they might stick to healthcare products, or they might also enter into new product lines such as toiletries or cosmetics. Correct? ना? यानी कि company decide करेंगे whether they want to stick to one product or whether they want to introduce mix of product. Again, in product strategy, company can decide whether it want to modify the existing product, okay, or it is going to introduce a completely new product. Okay. Then we have also seen the company can decide on packaging, right, branding and product positioning. इसके बाद में, let me just complete this. The second strategy that we did was pricing strategy. Now you are going to tell me pricing में very first one क्या था? Come on. It was
Scheming pricing strategy.
yes, very nice. और skimming में क्या हो रहा है students? Come on.
High price.
Very nice, Aditya. Very high prices are charged. All right. And again, in skimming, we have two types, that is rapid skimming and slow skimming. है ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, तो rapid skimming में बताइए क्या हो रहा है? What is happening in rapid skimming? Come on.
High price, heavy promotion.
Very nice. Rapid skimming says high price and high promotion, right? And what about slow skimming?
High price and
Low promotion.
low
Okay,
promotion.
very nice. slow skimming, high price, and low promotion. Very good. इसके बाद में हमने next pricing कौन सा study किया था? Come on.
Penetration.
हाँ, very good. And what do you mean by penetration pricing, students? What is happening in penetration pricing? Come on.
A low
What is
price.
Very good. The price of the product is low. Again, we have two types. That is, come on.
Rapid.
Okay,
Rapid
rapid
and
and okay, we have rapid and slow penetration, which again means the same. In case of rapid, low price and high promotion. In case of slow skimming, we have low price and low promotion. Okay. Roll number 32. I believe your video is on and looks a bit inappropriate. Can you please put off your video? Yeah, thank you. All right. After this, students, we have seen various other pricing strategies, which includes follow your leader, trial pricing, correct? Na? Standard pricing, pro pricing. So these were
Yes,
few
ma'am.
other pricing strategies that we have completed. Okay. उसके बाद में क्या start किया था हमने students? Come on. We started with the third strategy, that is distribution strategy. Correct? Na? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन स्ट्रेटेजी में क्या स्टडी किया आपने? कंपनी क्या करेगी? या तो फिर इट इज गोइंग टू गो फॉर डायरेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और इट इज गोइंग टू गो फॉर indirect distribution.
Indirect.
Correct? Yeah. Again, it will decide channels of distribution, area, dealers network, dealers incentive, all these things. And then we started with promotion strategy. In promotion strategy, we have many of them. Okay, many sub strategies. The first one that we have already completed is advertising strategy, right? कि कौन सा media use करना है, what should be the budget, okay, what should be the schedule of advertising. So we have completed advertising here. I'll just mention advertising and then we proceed to the new one. Just a moment. Okay, we have completed advertising strategy. I think we have also completed sales promotion, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have also
Yes, ma'am.
completed promotion. That means how much funds to be invested for, using the sales promotion techniques. जैसे discounts देना है, offers देना है, free gift देना है, free samples देना है. So how much budget to be allotted? Then we have also seen decisions on areas like after sales services, guarantees, warranties. फिर उसके बाद duration of sales promotion, for example, heavy promotions during the festive season. Then we have also seen which products and brands require, promotion in which area, right? So we have seen all this in sales promotion. Now I proceed with a new strategy, that is publicity. It's a part of promotion strategy only. So we will see publicity and personal selling. I want Mehak to read, but Mehak, you please note one thing. There are so many points in publicity, so many points. So you read any 2 or 3 points. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sharing the screen and you please tell me if it is visible or not. After this, I'm going to start with HR strategy. Okay. 1 second. I'm not downloading the image purposely because when I go to download, it not just take too long, but PC hang bhi ho jata hai. So I'm just sharing the screen via mail. Okay. Before that, we have to see. Okay, see here we have stopped last time that the sales promotion was done. Now we begin with the publicity strategy. Okay, Mehak.
Publicity. Nowadays, publicity plays an important role in promotion of goods and services. Therefore, a firm needs to frame proper publicity strategy in respect of
Okay. I nowadays student products does not only require advertising, it also requires publicity. Okay. What do you mean by students publicity? कैसे करते हो आप? Okay, what are the ways of doing publicity? I think students, when you enter the market or when you are running a business, you need to know one thing, that you have to come close to your customers. Okay. That is in a one way going to help you sell your product, right? So publicity means what? You are going to sponsor some events, okay, or you are having your presence in events organized by someone else where you are doing publicity of your products, right? I think Bollywood is majorly into publicity. Okay, unka to existence, survival, and success. Everything is on publicity. Okay, this is see when we talk about business, business includes both product as well as services, right? Bollywood is into entertainment services. Okay, for them, publicity is very important. Okay, any buzz in the market, okay, कुछ भी किसी भी तरीके का publicity, even if it is a negative publicity, it's fine. It is going to work in their favor. For example, if you remember that movie, what was that? Deepika Padukone's movie was about um, Johar something. I forgot. Forgot the name of the movie. Khilji was the negative character. What is the name of that movie? If anyone can help me.
Padmavat.
Yes, Padmavat. See, students, I think Padmavat got a huge response from the audience, not just because of the storyline or because of the picturization and star performance. It got the response from the audience majorly because it was into controversy for a very long time. Okay, they were not allowing to release the movie, and when the movies were released, the theaters ने तोड़ फोड़ हो रहा था. अभी इससे क्या होता है पता, ऑडियंस के अंदर है ना एक क्यूरियोसिटी जाग जाती है कि ऐसा क्या है पिक्चर के अंदर कि that particular community is not allowing to release, there is a protest going on, so automatically students, it creates a curiosity. मैं जानना चाहती हूँ मूवी के अंदर ऐसा क्या है भाई, that so much problems it is facing. So automatically this gives a positive response and it goes in favor of the Bollywood. Okay. Similarly, companies also, they have to be into publicity. But for companies, for their survival and for their success, it is very important that they get into positive publicity. Okay, they are doing something good which is coming in eyes of the general public at large. Okay, for example, if I tell you, okay, Reliance Company, I remember Neeta Ambani had done a great publicity on how she is reaching out to help rural farmers, okay, and then how she is reaching out to help animals, okay, and she is promoting environment safety, okay. All these things is also an act of publicity. Okay, आप ये क्यों करते हो, इतने concerns दिखाते हो लोगों के सामने that oh, we are worried about the environment, oh, we are worried about the animals and birds, we are very much concerned about the farmers of our country. All these things is also students publicity. Okay, it creates a positive image in the minds of public. Okay, we feel that, oh wow, they are such a great entrepreneurs, they are concerned about the societal issues. Okay, so this goes in the favor of the company. Okay, so apart from making good products and advertising the products and doing sales promotion, what is more important is doing publicity. Okay, how can you do that? Let us see few things that are mentioned here. May you read all the 4 points? This is a very small one. All right, Mehak.
Okay, ma'am. The media to be concentrated for publicity, the period or timing of publicity, the relationships with various media people, the amount of funds to be allocated for publicity purpose, such as on event marketing during product launch, gifts to media people, etc.
Yeah, I think the best way to do publicity is to get more connected to your media people. Okay, I think those who are working in media will help you build your better image. That only depends on how you maintain relationships with them. You give them some gifts, okay? You maintain a cordial relation with them. You give them some media bite, okay? So automatically they will help you to, product to promote your product, right, on the media. So you can decide कि कौन से media से publicity करना चाहिए. I think the effective way is television because it reaches out to every house. Then of course the period of publicity, one can do heavy publicity when the product is launched. Okay, the product market में new introduce हो रहा है, उस time पे जब आप publicity करते हो ना, I think it comes in the eyes of the customers, right? So you can also decide how much money to be invested in event marketing. Okay, and that means you can also give sponsorships to college students. Okay, आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव सीन बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस में जो इवेंट्स होता है तो पेप्सी का उसके ऊपर या फिर कोक का उसके ऊपर ये ये होता है उन कंपनी का बैनर होगा या फिर पोस्टर्स होगा. Okay, and they are promoting their product. They give free Coke, free Pepsi. Okay, McDonald's has also done this, and many other brands have, which is designed for particularly for youth. Okay, which is attracting for youth. Okay, उन्होंने क्या किया, best way to do publicity is enter into the college. Okay, कॉलेज में आपको मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स मिलेंगे, बहुत क्राउड एक ही जगह पे मिलेगा, फिर आप वहां पे प्रमोट करो, वहां पे उनकी इवेंट्स को स्पॉन्सरशिप दो, विच विल मेक देम हैप्पी. And also you can do your publicity of the product, right? So you can decide on, how much money to be allotted for event marketing. Then you can decide about giving gifts to the media people. I think students, when you are in the business now, you have to remember one thing. This is how you have to, kind of, apart from innovations, apart from, you know, making great products, apart from doing great marketing, you also have to do all these things. Okay. Truth be told, you might be coming across 100 people, of which आपको 99 लोग भी शायद पसंद नहीं होंगे. But when you are into the business, you have to make sure that that does not comes on your face. Okay, I might not like 99 out of 100 people, but I have to pretend that I am good to them. Okay, in business, I think having cordial relation with government, having cordial and good relation with public, having cordial and good relation with media people is very, very, very important. Okay, and for that you obviously have to have patience, and for that you obviously have to frame strategies. So one way is publicity, and then the next one is, I hope there is no doubt over your.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
All right. Many of the students are now entering the session after 20. I
Ma'am.
don't know why. Is there any Wi-Fi issue or something? I don't know. I'm
Network
taking
issue हो
them,
रहा है,
but
ma'am.
okay. All right. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is personal selling strategy. I think this is even more effective. Okay, meet your customers face to face, nothing like that. Okay, Mehak.
It plays an important role in promoting the sales of product, especially in the case of industrial goods. Therefore, proper decision must be taken in respect of number of sales force, selection and training, the compensation to the sales force, the products which require personal selling efforts, the market or areas where personal selling is required, etc.
Okay, I think personal selling means you are interacting with your customers face to face. Students, I think for fast moving consumer goods, FMCG products जो होता है, यानी कि वहाँ पे you don't require to meet the customers face to face. जैसे बिस्किट हो गया, ब्रेड हो गया, इन सब चीजों के लिए थोड़ी ना फेस टू फेस कस्टमर को मिलने की जरूरत है. You do television advertisement and you will get customers, right? But then there are products which are industrial goods, okay? And for that you require personal selling. Industrial goods में आप क्या कर, those are products which are used by the industries, okay? And therefore you need to have personal selling. And then there is a category of industrial goods which, for example, let me tell you, if you are purchasing, say, you need a demonstration for certain products, जैसे washing machine हो गया, है ना, फिर ऑटोमेटिक गैस स्टोव्स हो गए, देन उसके बाद में ओवन हो गया, ये वो सारे प्रोडक्ट्स है ना जिसका शायद से यूसेज एंड डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन जब तक आप कस्टमर को फेस टू फेस नहीं देंगे, दे माइट नॉट बी एबल टू बाय द प्रोडक्ट, राइट। फिर ये क्या बोलते हैं, एक्वागार्ड का वाटर प्यूरिफायर्स हो गए, है ना, दीज टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स रिक्वायर एफर्ट्स, राइट, एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू डू पर्सनल सेलिंग। डोर टू डोर तो मैं नहीं बोलूंगी, बिकॉज डोर टू डोर selling is, I don't think so now it is popular. Olden days it was popular. After a television which is already reaching out to so many people, door to door इतना advertisement या इतना what do you say personal selling नहीं होता है। आई एम वेरी श्योर आपने भी एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा, जब आप छोटे थे तभी आपके घर पे कोई आता था सेल करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट, अभी उतने नहीं आते हैं, right? Because there are restrictions. Most of the societies don't allow. And I think also companies have realized that people don't appreciate, people that somebody is coming at your home and trying to sell the product. अभी वो चला गया वो टाइम। पहले ऐसा होता था केचप, जैम, फिर उसके बाद में ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स, for all this thing people used to come at our home. Okay, but now it is not the trend. Okay. So personal selling can be again done through some events. Okay, आप मॉल में कोई इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज करो, फिर जब वो इवेंट पे लोग पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं या गैदर होते हैं, उस दौरान आप बता सकते हो अपने कस्टमर को व्हाट इज द यूसेज ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट एंड व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स, एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो गिव द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन. So there are certain products which do require personal selling efforts, and I think companies can do that. Okay, the last one is marketing research. We will just take 2 or 3 points from here, and the answer is done. All right, Mehak.
Marketing research strategy. Nowadays, marketing research plays an important role in marketing of goods and services. A firm must decide in respect of the products which requires market research, the markets where marketing research to be conducted, the type of marketing research such as sales research, product research, consumer research, pricing research, etc., the amount of funds to be invested in marketing research, the duration and timing of marketing research, whether marketing research to be conducted in-house or by external agency, if in-house, selection and training of marketing research staff.
Okay, all right. So we have read all the points. Okay, I need not explain you much in detail. I think research is something that every company should be doing it. Okay, if you are doing research, you will be in a position to introduce quality products at reasonable prices. But research is not only confined to product. खाली product की research करना है ऐसा नहीं है. Sometimes you also need to do consumer research. You need to identify what type of consumers are there in the market and their demographic details, okay, especially their income, okay. And then you also do pricing research. You try to understand, what is the pricing followed by your competitors, okay. Is there any availability of the substitute, okay. So आप research ये areas में भी कर सकते हो, okay. And then you have to decide how much funds you have to put in the research, okay, and who is going to do that, okay, whether you are going to conduct the research on your own or you are planning to, hire an external agency to do the research, okay. So these are few things that the company can, think of. So I hope there is no doubt in the answer, students. Very simple to understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Students, the answers are very lengthy in strategic management. Couple of few answers are also going to be like this, a bit lengthy, okay, but it is very simple to understand, okay. If you listen to the answer carefully, you try to relate to it, and the answers are very simple, okay. I think this subject is offering a lot of things to the students of management studies, particularly or specifically about it brings you to it I think it somewhere puts you into a thought process. It somewhere makes you think over something, right? So I think this is very interesting. Okay, and I think every answer should, put not just to bring knowledge to the student, but it should also create, अच्छा ये भी हो सकता है, ये भी हो सकता है. There's some kind of curiosity and inquisitiveness in the students. Okay, so I think the subject is having brilliant concepts. Okay, and I especially love teaching this subject because now too you're going to study in the next chapter. You're going to study, how to identify the best markets and how to identify, which products require how much investment. So you're going to study all these things in the next chapter. Let me proceed with the next answer for now, which is HR strategy. Just a moment, I'll share the screen. I hope there is no difficulties so far. अभी तक जो भी हमने complete किया है.
No, ma'am.
एक
No, ma'am.
very
Oh, ma'am.
sure ना. Okay. Just a moment. I'll just share the whiteboard over here. Yeah. Whiteboard दिख रहा है क्या आपकी स्क्रीन पे? नहीं ना?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
हाँ भी दिखना चाहिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. When we started with this with the subject, we have understood. आप मेरे को बताते जाएंगे. Just a minute. It's not typing now, huh? ये व्हाइट बोर्ड में ना पता नहीं क्या इशू हो रहा है. हाँ. Okay. All right. Yeah. We started with turnaround strategy, correct? Now, students, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हमारा
ma'am.
फर्स्ट आंसर यही था, टर्न अराउंड स्ट्रैटेजी. उसके बाद में हमने समथिंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टडी किया, दैट इज स्टेबिलिटी स्ट्रैटेजी, है ना? दैट कंपनी डिड नॉट गो फॉर ग्रोथ. ओके, देन वी हैव स्टडीड द नेक्स्ट वन, दैट इज ग्रोथ
Growth
स्ट्रैटेजी.
strategy.
यस, उसके बाद में वी हैव सीन retrenchment, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think it's going very slow, yaar. Retrenchment strategy. Retrenchment में भी 3 type है, turn around. Then we have seen divestment strategy, and lastly we have seen liquidity.
Liquidation.
Yeah, liquidation strategy. Very nice. इसके बाद में students we started with integration strategy, right? And in integration strategy we have seen vertical integration and horizontal integration. फिर vertical integration में भी students 2 सब type थे, forward integration and backward integration, correct ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. फिर इंटीग्रेशन स्ट्रेटेजी के बाद में बताओ क्या स्टडी किया हमने. आई थिंक वी सीन एन आंसर व्हिच वाज ways to enter into international markets, correct na? How to enter into international markets, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have studied so many types, franchising. Then we have seen, come on, we have seen
Joint venture.
one country production base, turnkey operation, acquisition strategy, and so many of them. So ways to enter into international market. Then we started with functional level strategies, and we have completed production function, and today we have completed marketing. Okay. Now I'm proceeding to the next and the important one, which is HR strategy. Yes, HR strategy. That I'm going to start now. I hope there is no difficulty in all the answers that we have covered so far.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
All right. So I'm sharing the screen. Just a moment. Before I share the screen, guys, please circulate the message for cultural indoor events. Okay, we might extend the dates also. Already yesterday we have shared the registration link along with the other details, right? And we have got very interesting creative work from so many students from different colleges. Yet again, we want to have many more participants, and we need to reach out to many students. Okay, so please forward in your contact groups, okay, and ask your friends from the other colleges to participate. You all also participate, and tell your friends also to participate. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm sharing the screen for HR strategy. I'll take a very small introduction part and then I'll stop. Okay. You tell me if the screen is visible. I think so it should be.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
right. Okay. It's visible now. All right. But ये पूरा नहीं आ रहा है ना screen. It's not rotating, guys.
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Okay, so we start with the most interesting strategy, which is human resource strategy. I'll just take the introduction part. Okay, Mehak, can you read that?
Yes, ma'am. There are no two opinions that people alone determine the fate and future of an organization. Professor W. E. Deming wrote, abundance of natural resources is not a requirement of prosperity. The wealth of a nation depends on its people. This is equally true in case of companies. The survival and success of a firm depends upon quality of its people. Therefore, a firm must frame personnel or employees related policies in order to motivate the employees, which in turn would lead to its success.
Okay, now let us go with the first 2-3 lines, which is very brilliantly written in the textbook. Okay. The very first statement is saying there is no two opinion. That means nobody can disagree to this, that, the success of any company depends upon its people. Okay. You have better technology, you have great ideas, you have got big offices, you have got very big factories, but what is the use if you have no good people along with you, right? अगर आपके employees skilled नहीं है, अगर आपके employees को काम करने का method नहीं मालूम, they are not having that sufficient knowledge, then what is the use of all these resources, right? So there is no two opinion that, the faith and the success of any organization completely depends upon its people. Okay, treat your employees very important because they are the ones who are going to convert your strategies and ideas into reality. Okay, this Professor W.E. Deming, he wrote a very important quote that, for any country to success, okay, the wealth of that particular country or nation depends on its people. It does not depends on the resources that the country is having. अगर मेरे देश का नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज बहुत अच्छा है, ओके, लेकिन मेरे देश के लोग उतने capable नहीं है, qualified नहीं है, educated नहीं है, skilled नहीं है, what is the point of having these resources, right? See, this is something we really need to think about. For our nation to grow, we of course we are a hugely populated country, okay, assetful when it comes to human assets. Okay, बहुत सारे population बहुत ज़्यादा है, and frankly, population between 18 to 35 years old is more than 60%. That means when the other countries are going to become old, India is still going to be new, or India is still going to be young. Okay, because the young category of population are high in numbers. Okay, so we need to understand that, the country needs to have people who will channelize their energy in the right places. आपके देश का youth, okay, वो क्या कर रहा है? वो मैटर करता है, because they are going to be the future of the nation, right? I think the storyline of that movie, Shahid Kapoor का कौन सा movie था? So sorry, I'm too bad in remembering the names यार. उड़ता पंजाब, आपने देखा है वो मूवी उड़ता पंजाब? नहीं देखा?
No, ma'am.
आप में से किसी ने भी नहीं
No,
देखा उड़ता
ma'am.
पंजाब?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. So the storyline of that movie is, the youth of the nation is, is almost dead. Okay, यानी कि वो ड्रग्स लेके कहीं पे पड़े हुए हैं एंड पूरा पूरा दिन उनका वैसे चला जाता है. दे आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग प्रोडक्टिव. इनफैक्ट वो शायद गलत काम में चले जाते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट ड्रग्स. ओके, so I think I suggest you to please watch the movie once. Okay, it will help you understand that how the storyline is having a very beautiful conclusion also. The fact that people feel that आज के तारीख में ना आपको बॉम्ब बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है दूसरे कंट्री को डिस्ट्रॉय करना है तो. ओके, आपको अगर किसी से वॉर करना है तो आपको पैसे डाल के न्यूक्लियर बॉम्ब बनाने की जरूरत नहीं है. दैट इज वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. यू नीड एक्सपर्टीज पीपल, यू नीड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसोर्सेज. वो मत करो. उससे अच्छा उस देश के यूथ को खराब कर दो. ओके, देश अपने आप बिगड़ जाएगा. ओके, देश अपने आप ही बर्बाद होगा. क्योंकि this is what the movie had, one of the content of that movie had this thing, that how we are getting drugs from the over the borders से कैसे drugs यहाँ पे आता है और यहाँ के लोग कैसे उसको खरीद के कंज्यूम करते हैं. ओके, एंड देन आई थिंक ये सबसे आसान तरीका है ना, आप उस देश के यूथ को कमजोर कर दो. ओके, वीक कर दो, ऑलमोस्ट डेड कर दो, देश अपने आप बर्बाद हो जाएगा. You want to have a war with the nation, don't kill the people. Okay, don't make bombs and don't make all those expensive explodes and all that. No, you don't have to do all that. Okay, you just make the country economically weak. Okay, कोई भी country जब economically weak होता है automatically वो देश बर्बाद होता है. Right? So उस मूवी में यही दिखाया है कि how we are getting the how the people of our nation are getting easy access or availability of the drugs from over the borders. Okay, and वहाँ के लोगों को तो दो फायदा हो रहा है. एक तो बेचने का उनको पैसा मुनाफा मिल रहा है, right? And the second thing is उनके जो enemy nation है उस nation के लोग weak हो रहे हैं. Okay, so having huge population is not a asset to you. वो huge population के लोग meaningful होने चाहिए. Okay, लोग पढ़े लिखे होने चाहिए, एजुकेटेड होने चाहिए, ओपन माइंडेड होने चाहिए, लॉजिकल होने चाहिए, right? But sadly in our country, students, we have a huge population, but not many people are, or I would say a major portion of this population is still illiterate. Okay, which obviously makes our country more weaker. Similarly, then the paragraph is just less than 1 minute left. Okay, similarly, it is applicable in organizations also. 1000 employees होने का मतलब नहीं है. Okay, you have 500 600 employees, but those 500 or 600 employees should be talented employees. Okay, they should be someone who are converting your ideas into reality. They are doing productive work at the workplace. Okay, so this is what is the first paragraph, which will help the company lead to success. We will see the different personal strategies in the next class. Let me just mark the attendance first. Yeah. All right, guys. Then I think I stop here. And HR strategy में अलग-अलग areas पे आप कैसे work कर सकते हो, that we will see in the next class.